kami karong adlaw para magkahiusa ug umayo sa imong pabor. Iisa lang ang among pangandoy agon sa among tukhan. Mao ang makauli na sa Pilipinas ang among pinakamamahal na tatay, among amahan, ang among mayor sa Davao, sa Mindanao, ang atong presidente sa tibuok Pilipinas, forever Rodrigo Duterte. Uban sa tanang Pilipino sa tibuok kalibutan, among gipangamuyo kanimo, among Ginoo, naunta makamtan namo ang kalinaw ug panaghiusa para sa paglambo sa Pilipinas na mahimong malambuong ug matiwasay nga nasod ug adunay katiwasay para sa tanan. Atong iampo karon ang prayer of peace ni Saint Francis of Assisi. Ginuin adunay pagkadumot, tuguti ako na magbugas ug gugma. Diin adunay kadaot, pasayloa. Diin adunay pagduha-duha, hugot nga pagtuo. Diin adunay kangit-ngit, kahayag. O diin adunay kasubok, kalipay. O balaong amahan,
Kalayaran mundo sa simoy at sa langit ng puno, may bilalang tula at awit sa paglayang sinamahan. Ang islap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang ituling at araw ng kailan pa may magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng ating pagsimba, buhay na ibig sa timog. Ang ligaya na pag may mga abig, ang umatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Metropolitan. Thank you to the attendees from the Metropolitan Melbourne.
Okay.
Paramentin. 4 hours drive from Paramentin. Thank you very much from the attendees ng galing around the city of Melbourne, Metropolitan Melbourne. Thank you so much for joining this rally. So, we don't actually have a program. Whoever wants to speak from the group, please come at the front and speak to us. Kung sino sa inyo na gusto ipapalabas yung galit ninyo, pumunta kayo dito sa harap. Kaya dito para makausap ninyo ang aming grupo. Sa mga attendees, mga kababayan, this rally will not be here today kung hindi sa tulong-tulong ng ating mga kababayan. Nagawa ito dahil ang mais of Australian International, which was it started with DDS, tapos naging Global Filipino Alliance ng Duterte. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present yung grupo ng core group. Modesto Trinado, stand in the front so that they can see you. Modesto is the chairman. Valerie Nelstas is the vice chairman. Socorro is the secretary. Marie Treliado is the treasurer. Louis Evan is the group coordinator. At saka si Rolly from Mangkalata. Romel Santos, advisor, and yours truly, Nene Abahero, advisor. At commanding officer, ako na magsagwa kay Ture. Huli na ako sa Philippines. Sagwa o wala? Pisot mo na! Pisot! 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 Pisot!
Pisot! Tore pisot! Tore pisot! Tore pisot! Tore pisot! Tore pisot! Tore pisot!
Pisot means? What pisot means?
Okay. Thank you po, Ate Nene. And you have seen yung mga organizer for this rally. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. For those people who come from regional Victoria.
May nangatag.
Ang susunod po natin na magbibigay ng kanyang mensahe is Jenna Seneca. Jen Seneca. Just for announcement po, yung nearest toilet po is a train station. Meron pong train na iyan na po. Please hydrate yourself kasi umiinit na. Drink plenty of water. Meron po, ayun po, ang daming tubig. Ganda kaya minom. Sorry kayo mag-shower. Meron po tayong first aid dito, yung may mga gus-gus, wag na po, mag-ingat na po tayo, okay? Another reminders po, wag po tayong lumabas sa gate. Okay? Huwag po lumabas sa gate. You people stay here inside the gated area. First aid station is on my right. Meron po tayong mga nurses na naka-vest. They will attend for your first aid. Okay, Jenna. Thank you.
Testing, mic testing. Wala lang tayo dito. Okay, narinig po ba natin lahat?
Yes!
Narinig niyo po ba?
Yes!
Narinig niyo po?
Yes! Mabuhay! Mabuhay! Mabuhay!
Ganito ang pagkakaisa ng mga Pilipino, di ba?
Yes!
Nakikita po natin, ito po ang produkto ni Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Yes!
Lahat tayo dito, even the ones who don't know him personally, they have seen the results. Yung kumbaga, resibo po, di ba? Resibo. The reason why we are gathered here today, it's not because we want violence. We do not need any more deaths. Tama ba mga kabayan?
Yes!
We are gathered here today dahil galit tayo sa injustice.
Yes!
Today, dahil galit tayo sa paulit-ulit na pagpapasa sa taong bayan. Lahat po ng narito, OFW po lahat ng narito, overseas Filipino workers, even those who have been products for their children, they have seen their parents toil night and day.
Yes!
100% yan. Na mga kinikita niyan, 3 to 4 jobs, halos walang tulugan. Sending it all to the motherland, not because we only care of the Philippines, but because we love our families and we love our country.
Yes!
Mates, you have seen as well. If you have workmates, if you have classmates, if you have neighbors who are Filipino, you are witness of how good the Filipinos are. How giving,
Yes!
generous.
Yes!
Kultura po namin yan. That is our culture.
That's right.
There is a reason why we are feeling devastated today. If you have seen in the news, sa lahat po ng mga hindi updated, we will tell you, we will give a retelling. Our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte has been, and his whole family, has been a victim of political harassment.
Yes!
How can we say that it is a political harassment? How can we say? If a Filipino citizen has ever committed a crime, where should he be tried? Much less a former president, an 80-year-old senior citizen dragged out without even information, without even telling him ahead of time. Ay, ito ko you have a warrant po. Ay, ganun lang, text na lang sana. Walang text. There was no information. What did they do? They barricaded him. If President Duterte was a regular citizen, do you think he will still be alive today? No! Absolutely not. Why? For the simple reason that he has the guts to go against this government. That is the only reason. Galit si Digong sa mga adik. Galit si Digong sa mga bawat.
Yes!
Galit po si Digong sa mga kriminal.
Yes!
The 30,000 that they said as a petition for calling the ICC, what? Has been reduced to 19. 19 to 43. Hindi pa nga confirmed yung ibang number dyan. It's not even been confirmed. Yung mga picture na pinapakita ko nakakaawa po, patay na po. Nilalagay dyan yung picture, biktima daw ng war on drugs. Pagkatapos may magko-comment, anak ko yan! Namatay yan 2024. Diba?
Tama yan. Tama.
How do you call that a fair and just system? Isa pa po, isa pa halimbawa. Before pa po nangyari ang lahat na ito, hindi pa po pala ako nakapagpapakilala. Ako po pala ay membro ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ. Isa po akong full-time miracle missionary. Pinadala po ako ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy dito. Before po nangyari ang Katigon, we have been bombarding social media. If they can do this to our beloved pastor, a church leader, a godly man, who else are they gonna do it to? After months, mga kapatid, mga kababayan, after months, hindi nga nagtagal ng isang taon. Ayun na, nangyari na po yung kay Tatay Digong. Hindi po namin maatim yung klase po ng kasakiman nila sa kayamanan at sa power. Hindi po natin maatim. We cannot fathom the amount of audacity they have to face the public who voted for them, and tell us yung flood control po namin pumalya. Presidente po kayo, yun po ang i-report nyo sa taong bayan. Tapos pupunta ka sa mga salanta ng bagyo, and then what will you do? You don't even offer sympathy for them. Sa mga namatayan, ano po ang binigay? Pagkukumpunyahin niya pa po. Ano po ang binigay? Mga kahoy. Wala na pang pako. May ikaw pa magkukumpanya. Natin niyo po ba yun? Nabagyuhan na nga. Namatayan na nga. Nasiraan na nga ng bahay. Pagkukumpanyahin mo pa? Nangyari ba yung kay Tatay Digong?
No!
This is not only ako, Dabawenyo po ako. But this is not only a call to Dabawenyos. We are not exerting ourselves. Kasi pantay-pantay po tayo lahat.
Tama!
Pilipino!
Tama!
Lahat tayo mahal natin ang ating bansa. Nung nangyari po yung KOJC siege, para po sa hindi nakakaalam, this was really a day of infamy for us. Kami po, we are a peace-loving people. Kahit po kami dito sa Australia, sa Canada, sa mga foreign land, we are taught by our beloved pastor to be peace-loving people. Marangal po kami. Hindi na nagmamataas po kami, ha? Hindi po namin tinataas ang sarili namin. Hindi po. Turo po sa amin ito. Gusto po naming maging maayos ang buhay namin. Kasi po kami din laki sa hirap. Si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, laki po sa hirap yan. Sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa kanya, and all of our PDP senatoriables, majority po sa kanila laki ng hirap. Nakita po nila, ano po, yung kumayod ka, day and night. Tapos pagdating sa pinakahuling, pinakadulo ng araw, halos wala kang mapakain sa mga anak mo. They know that pain. They know the feeling of working 2 to 3 jobs. And then going home to your children and telling them, we do not have enough, even buying an ice cream for you. So maybe we can skip your birthday for next year. Because we have to save for your education. Diba? Ramdam po natin yan. Sino mo OFW dito ang hindi nakakaramdam ng ganyang klaseng sakit? Pakitaas po yung kamay nyo. Which OFW have not faced the pain of working 2 to 3 jobs just to send your children to school? Please raise your hands. No one. Every Filipino has known hardship. Every Filipino has known the pain of the cycle over and over again, putting their trust in politicians that have not remained loyal to their verdict, have not remained loyal to their mandate of serving the people. Tama po ba?
Tama!
We are not here to attack whoever. We are here to seek for justice. Because it is not right that a Filipino citizen is being dragged to the Netherlands, become a public show. Pinapahiya po nila ang para ng Duterte. At hindi pa sila nakontento, mga katabayan. Hindi lang si Tatay Digong ay napektuhan. Alam niyo po ba, ni-raid po nila ang bahay ng mga Duterte. The week after, hindi pa nga umabot ng isang week, they have raided the houses of not only civilians, but public servants. For what reason? Did they present an arrest warrant? No. What did they do? They tried to put dirt on the names of the Dutertes. This is not only a fight for, oh, we are here as immigrants, or this is for the Filipino community. No. I want all of you, and I thank you for your presence here today. I want all of you to know that this is happening worldwide. Countries that do not have the spotlight, most of the people who try to turn the tide, who try to arrange the system to contradict drugs, all of them will go missing out of one day. All of a sudden, nagpapasalamat kasi kami gising ang Pilipino. Tama? Kasi kung hindi pa tayo, if we did not show this in the social media, if Hakbang ng Maisog did not organize this rally, no one will know. Just like what they did to El Salvador, just like what they did to South Africa, all of these injustices, we have not even heard. But they have made the mistake of contradicting one of the most legendary and best president of the Philippines. If you do not know him, Duterte!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
If you do not know him, I will really highly suggest please do your research. Please, research kung ano po yung nagawa niya. Kasi yun po, the only reason, ang nag-iisang katangian na isang tao ay yung dignidad at yung loyalty. Tingnan po natin mga kababayan, hindi lang tayo dito magrarally para sa wala. Kailangan gamitin po natin ang boses natin. Kailangan po natin bumoto. Yan lang. Yan lang ang dahilan.
Yay!
PDP laban na in-engage. Vote straight!
Duterte!
Vote straight!
Duterte! Vote straight! PDP! Vote straight!
Huwag po natin kakalimutan yan. Kasi walang silbi na dumayo po tayo nag-absent sa mga trabaho natin kung hindi po natin gagamitin ang ating boto. Plano po na ipa-impeach si Mike Testing. Plano na ipa-impeach si Vice President Inday Sara. Pag nagawa po nila yun, wala na po tayong pag-asa. So
Yan ang
pakikita ko po yung
Pilipinas.
mensahe na ito. Huwag niyo po kakalimutan. Senator Bato de la Rosa, Marco Lepa, Jimmy Bondo, Pastor Apollo Sige Pinoy, at lahat ng sa PDP laban. Tama!
Tama!
PDP! Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Duterte! Duterte!
We will have a chant. Pag sinabi ko
Duterte!
ang Pilipino,
Duterte!
Again, ang sagot ay...
Mabuhay! Duterte! Duterte!
Salamat po. Meron po tayong update, no? Meron po tayong update sa one of us, galing po kay Ate Nene. The next speaker po, Mr. Boyet Paredes, can you please come to the stage? Meron mo na pong update, announcement from Ate Nene.
Kumusta kayo dyan?
Mabuhay!
Duterte pa rin!
Duterte!
Ito yung update. Sa March 30, magkaroon ng rally ang PDP laban. So kung sino, I was contacted by PDP laban, kung sino yung gustong mag-volunteer from Melbourne or Australia, Melbourne, na maging grupo kayo sa PDP laban, please let me know. Contact mo lang ako, and then I'll refer you to the PDP laban core group sa Philippines.
Ano ya? Ano siya may buhaton?
And also, I would like to clarify. Merong nagsasabi sa akin, bakit andito tayo sa park na ito, hindi tayo doon sa labas. No, let me explain, people. Do you know that the thing, originally, nag-book ako in front ng Parliament House. Dahil sa maraming nagrarally na na hindi registered, ang Victoria Police decided to put us in here para safer.
Yay!
Kasi may nagsabi na hindi tayo makikita ng tao. I don't care kung hindi tayo makikita ng tao, makikita tayo sa social media.
Yes!
Tayo sa social media.
Yes!
Maraming Australians hindi nila kilala si Tatay Digong. But kung sa social media tayo, kilala nila si Tatay.
Yes!
Thank you. At yun
Isa
ang
pa.
explanation bakit hindi tayo makapag-rally sa labas. Kasi David Walker cannot be, nung dumating na ang na-estimate namin na 200 na ang mag-a-attend sa rally, that time, sabi nila, no, hindi pwede doon kasi yung mga rallyista na iba nagtatapunan. We don't want you to be caught in the middle. Yes!
Yes!
You to be safe.
Yes!
Andito tayo sa Parliament Gardens, Parliament House Gardens. At saka, mga attendees, mga kababayan, ay recognize ang presence ng mama ni Hanelet Abansenia at ang kapatid ni Hanelet Abansenia. Nandito sila ngayon. Nakipagsali sa atin sa rally na ito.
Yes! Asa man? Yes! Mabuhay!
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Mabuhay! Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Salamat po! Salamat po! Salamat po again and again those people na galing sa Regional Victoria and people coming from the Philippines! People coming from Hague!
Yes!
Meron ba? People from Samsung! Ang susunod po natin na mag-aalay ng kanyang mensahe, si Mr. Boyet Paredes. Kung sino man po ang gustong mag-share, please come and see one of the
Nay.
organizers para makuha po yung pangalan
Na,
ninyo.
nag-attend mi diri sa Duterte! Duterte! Si Sharon!
Again, the weather is 22 degrees. 22 degrees po. Hydrate yourself. Hydrate yourself. Yung may mga bahay, may mga baon ng balot at Pinoy. Tamsip Malabon. Pwede po kayong kumain dyan. Bigyan nyo lang po ako kahit konti. Boyet Paredes. Okay, asa na si Boyet? Boyet! Boyet! Again, yung mga nagpunta po dito na gusto magsalita, Lani Caballero, Tony Baguio, Joyce Salas, did you please come to the stage para sunod-sunod na po yung ating speech.
Attention, Ray Santos, pwede pakipunta ka sa harapan. Ray Santos.
Inom po kayo ng tubig ha. Huwag kalimutan. Tubig, tubig, tubig. Hydrate yourself.
May pen naman
Again, meron po tayong first aid station. Yung mga nurse on duty po natin, galing po ng night.
To come and see us, and I want you to organize the candle vigil for Tatay Digong if you would like to. Kung kinsay gusto organize, please come and see us. Otherwise, I will organize it sa Royal Botanical Garden sa Yara River.
Yes!
Doon kami palagi nag-rally. You know why? Walay manghilapot. No perfect. No tanan. Oh, so we just pretending we're having a picnic.
Okay!
Pwede na kalakitsyon. So, we have March 28, i-announce ko namin sa social media ang candle ceremony, ang candle video for Tatay Digong. And now, and also an update, I just spoke to Hanelat sister, pinadala na niya kay Kitty ang ating hali!
Yes!
Nakita na ni Hanelat at saka ni Kitty ang hali sa Melbourne ngayon. So, may pati Kitty!
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Mahinig din tatay sa hate na ngayon! Yung sigaw natin! Bring him home!
Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
Okay, next update. Please do not leave your rubbish in the grass.
Yes!
Kasi nakikita ko. Okay, if you need rubbish bags, punta sa harap with bags. Laki lang po. I'm begging you na pakiano ng rubbish. Mag-iiwan ito. Kasi what happened kung hindi natin susundin yung gusto ng Melbourne City Council, hindi tayo makabalik dito.
Yes!
If we follow the rules, babalik tayo.
Yes!
Papatuloy natin sa mga hindi makaduperte na malilinis tayo.
Yes!
Natin ang lugar na ito na kasing linis nang dumating tayo.
Yes!
Sapagkat tayo ay
Duterte! 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 Bring him home!
Okay. Alive na alive po tayo kahit na mainit. Ngayon po, kantahan na naman tayo. Marami na tayong narinig sa kanila. Ngayon po, Stephanie will lead us to sing a song. Siya po ang magbibigay kung ano yung kakantahin natin. Okay? Mabuhay Pilipino!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay Pilipino!
Mabuhay!
Hello, magandang hapon sa
this song para kay Tatay Digong. I-practice yun din ako. Tulo ka adlaw. Tatlong kanta po. Una, ipaglalaban ko or tunay na pagbabago. Pangalawa, bayan ko. Pangatlo po, you raise me up. Okay? So, to those who know,
Okay, google nyo na yung mga kanta. Tatlo sila. Ano ba yun? Ipaglalaban ko, bayan ko, raise me up.
okay, handa na ba lahat?
Sabay.
Okay na, nakagugo na lahat. Okay.
Sorry.
nag-alay na ganda nila at sa kanyang yumi at ganda dayuhan ay nahalina bayan ko binihag ka nasadlak sa dusa sabay-sabay ibon mang may layang lumipad tulungin mo at umiiyak bayan pa kayang sakdal dilag ang imag na sang makaalpas Pilipinas kong minumutya pugad ng luha at dalita aking adika makita kang sa dalaya Mabuhay ang Pilipino! Mabuhay! Duterte! 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 May layang lumipad kulungin mo at umiiyak bayan pa kayang sakdal dilag ang dimag nasang makaalpas Pilipinas kong minumutya pugad ng luha at dalita aking adika makita kang sakdalaya raise me up. There's more than I can be. Mabuhay! Duterte! 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 Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
Hala! Kilala ko lang may-ari ng drone! Yun ang sandis! Kilala ko lang may-ari ng drone! Drone! Glenn! Dali na dito! Tataliong taka! Okay! One more check before I will give to the next speaker! Ate Melba, nandito na po ba? Yung mga speaker po, ganito po. Kasi alam ko na talagang gusto nyong magpahiwatig ng inyong damdamin. Kaya lang po, limitado po yung oras natin. So, I will give you 5 minutes. Okay lang po ba? 5 minutes each speaker kasi ang dami na pong nagbabigay sa akin na gustong magsalita. Kaya lang, we don't have enough time. So 5 minutes, pag time na ninyo 5 minutes, tapos na. Okay? Okay. Mabuhay ang Pilipino!
Mabuhay! Duterte! 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 Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
Mga speakers po na gustong magsalita, punta na po kayo dito sa likod. Laik Aliero, Toby Pagyo, Joyce Salas, Sibuanong Lagan, Brian, Edith from East Melbourne. Please come to the stage. Ibigay ko po ngayon si Ate Melba.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm sorry, I'm not a good speaker and I didn't really want to talk today, but they insist that I say something. So, I'm not like the other speakers. I'm no political person. I come from Zamboanga City in Mindanao. That's why Davao City is just close to Zamboanga. We are both in Mindanao. So I think what I'll do today is just to speak from my heart. And together, as Filipinos, I'm very happy. I'm very happy this afternoon to be here, to be among my fellow Filipinos who cares for our past president and who cares about justice. So, I think this afternoon, let us reflect on what our former president has done for the Philippines. They're focusing now on the wrong he has done. But what are the good things our former president has done that no other president has done? So, yeah, Tatay Digong, if you're listening right now, we just want to let you know that we Filipinos in Australia do love you. We care for you and we want you to be back harmless without being put to so much stress in Hague. We appreciate all the good things you have done during your presidency. I come from Zamboanga. When I was in Zamboanga, there were a lot of kidnappings. Kidnapping is a #1 business. So kami from overseas, we're so scared to go out. When we go home, natatakot kami. We don't want our foreign husbands to come with us or expose them. But during the reign of President Duterte, Zamboanga became quiet. Naging peaceful na siya. Even until now, when we go home, we can already go out and go around the city. How about Boracay? Boracay was very dirty. But during the reign of President Duterte, Boracay was cleaned up. How about
Drugs.
Pasig River?
Yeah, Pasig River. Yes. Yes. Build, build, build.
Boracay, yeah.
Yeah. Tanim bala. Yeah. Dami, dami.
Let us all remember the good things he has done during his reign. So, increase the salary of the police and the military. Yeah, increase the salary of the police and the military. Build, build, build.
Build, build, build. Yes.
He brought about a lot of progress with construction, with buildings, a lot of investments.
Na ay drone.
Salamat po, Ate Melba.
Sin Marcos siguro.
Wala pa pong 5 minutes si Ate Melba. Nagsalita.
Oh, bumalik naman.
Isang chance muna po tayo para maibigay ko po ang susunod na speaker. I think we have to reduce the minutes kasi dumadami po yung papel.
Sige, dali.
We'll
Yeah.
give him 2 minutes
Yes.
to speak.
Yes.
The next one, mabuhay ang Pilipino!
Mabuhay! Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
Okay. Next to speak is, ang kanya po, ang pangalan is Fred Ogie from Teleradio Philippines.
Ay, upang katahimikan lamang ang akong hinihiling sa ating mga kababayan.
Yes! Parang secret.
Mahalaga po itong aking sasabihin sa inyo. Ako po si Chairman Fred ng Barangay Teleradio.
Okay.
Hindi ako magsasalita dahil po kinakailangan namin sa media na maging pantay-pantay. Subalit ako po'y nadala ng aking nakita nitong pag-ibig at pagmamahal sa dating Pangulong Duterte. Meron din po akong aaminin sa inyo. Subalit ako'y nahihiya. Pero aaminin ko na rin. Ako po ay matagal ng loyalista ni Bongbong Marcos.
Wow! Patay ka! Hoy! Patay ka! Wala ka!
Subalit, hindi po ako sisigaw ngayon ng BBM.
Ow!
Alam niyo kung bakit? Alam niyo kung bakit? Ang tao yan, ang
Patay ka.
pinakamalaking budas sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas.
Yes!
Ang huli po ay pinagkanulo ng isang Pilipino. Ang kapwa ng Pilipino ay, nung panahon ng Hapon, ay tinuro po ng mga makapili ang mga espiya ng Pilipino. Hindi na po naulit yan. Ang pagiging hudas, pagiging ay yan po'y kasumpa-sumpa sa ating kulturang Pilipino. Hindi ko po ipagtatanggol ang extrajudicial killing. Dahil hindi po ako sigurado kung ito po'y nangyari o hindi. Ang nais ko lang po sabihin sa inyo at pakinggan po ninyo ako, ang labanan po na ito ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte at ng mga Marcoses ay labanan po ng tunay na pagbabago, laban po sa mga dating gawi ng mga oligark.
Yes!
Ang mga oligark po, yan po ang nagpapahirap sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Sa
Yes!
Pilipinas. Okay. Sa kabila po, sa State Library, meron po mag-arali ang mga nakabayan, mga kaliwa.
Wow! Wow!
Sapagkat ang kanila po hinihimok bagong pagbabago. Ang kahit Tatay Digong lamang kapagbabago po ang siyang tunay na pagbabago.
Yes! Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Salamat po, Manong Chairman Fred. The next, pinapa-English daw ako eh. Meron daw mga hindi nakaintindi ng Tagalog, ng Bisaya. So, murag maglisod, magkuhanig in English. Magkuhanig vocabulary. Okay, the next speaker is an English speaking. How are you, my friend? His name is Kuya Sam. Listen to Kuya Sam. You got 3 minutes.
I just want to say to the Filipino people, you were lost and now you're found. And you are orphans, now you have a father. Duterte.
Yes!
You stand behind him and all the free people behind all the world, they will stand with you. And don't forget, he's a hero. One hero for everyone, not only for Filipino people. So all the free people, the freedom lover will stand with you. And thank you. Duterte, viva
Duterte! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
Okay, may English na. May Tagalog na. May Bisaya na. Meron bang mga kapatid kong Muslim? Assalamualaikum, alaikum assalam, warahmatullahi
Mabuhay!
Susunod po na ating mag-i-speech ay ang ating one of our event organizer, si Chairman Moding.
Dutertes, tawag nila sa akin nung si Modesto ay, baka mahumarang na naman ako. Kuya Jupiter, hindi ko malilimutan to. Muntik na akong mahumarang. Mabuti na lang nag-brief ako. Kumusta po kayong lahat?
Mabuhay!
Kumusta ang kalaan ng mga kabisayan? Diyak!
Mabuhay!
Sa mga Bicolano. Sa mga Tagalog.
Ilang ko?
Okay. Dali lang, may record ko ako eh. Hindi, 5 minutes ako, kay organizer ko. 5 minutes organizer ako, ha? May mga commercial man. Di ba, boy? Oh, tapos subscribers! Abay, subscribers. Okay, shut up. Okay? Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, isa po ako sa organizers ng DDS Melbourne.
Yay!
Isa po akong tunay na Pilipino.
Yay!
Pero putang ina, binoto ko si Marcos kasi si Inday. Papaliwanag lang. Sabi na kasi Inday, makinig eh. Okay. Sandali lang to, hihiramin ko lang to kay Tatay Digong. Mr. President Marcos! Putang ina!
Bangag! Bangag! Bangag!
Sa kapalaran ng iyong ama!
Yes!
Una, ipinarating ni Tatay Digong si Ferdinand Marcos Sr.
Yes!
Nasaan ang utang na loob ninyo, mga Marcos?
Bangag!
Pangalawa, hindi kaya ninyo si Inday Sara i-adjust mo yan. Hinintay ninyo si Inday Sara, hinibat ninyo na tumakong Vice President para madala ka sa pagiging presidente.
Marcos resign! Marcos resign!
Ngayon, presidente ka na. Marcos, alam, pinagigipit mo naman ang ating Vice President ang nagdala sa iyo sa pagiging presidente. Judas ka!
Judas! Judas! Resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign!
Ang pinakasakit sa ating mga Pilipino sa
Marcos!
buong mundo.
Marcos!
Ipinagkalulo mo ang unang-unang presidente na nagmamahal sa mga Pilipino sa buong mundo.
Duterte! 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 Bring him home! 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 Bring him home!
Kayo mga tunay na Pilipino na kagaya ko, ang nararamdaman ko ay kapareho ng nararamdaman nyo.
Yes!
Ang dasal natin sa ating mahal na Pangulo, huwag kang makinig sa mga putang ilang nakapayot sa'yo.
Yes!
Maraming salamat at salamat sa pagpunta niyo rito. Sa susunod ulit.
Duterte! 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 Bring him home! 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 Bring him home!
Para sa hindi nakakalam, more than 2,000 attendees po tayo. Sa SAD at sa buong Melbourne, total ilang Congress at Senado.
Yeah! Traidor! Traidor! Tory Pisot!
Mga salita, mga kaibigan. Salamat po, Muding. Yun lang po ang kanyang damdamin. Okay, next speaker po. Please, on stage, Lani, Tommy, Joyce, Joanne. Ready na po ba yung mga speaker around here? Ano yung sinabi niya? P.I. Wala. Walang buhay na buhay pa po tayo. Wala pong nagpapakot kahit ang init. Kumain na ba ba tayo? Meron pa tayong libre pagkain.
Yeah!
Pag uwi si Digong. Pag uwi si Digong, libreng pagkain. Okay, next speaker po. 3 minutes. Lani Caballero. Nagawin sa time mo eh. Kanina 5 minutes ako, 3 minutes lang. Storytelling area ko ah. Maayong hapon, good afternoon everyone. Maayong hapon sa mga Bisaya, mga taga Bisaya sa
Davao.
Mindanao.
Yes, Aparon!
Magandang hapon sa ating mga kababayan na Pilipino. Tayo ay mga Pilipino lahat. My name is Lani. Ang akong English jud para na sa trabaho. But then, I will try my best. I was inspired to talk on behalf of my husband. My husband was security bodyguard Tanana. He was there for 6 years. Apay duty man gud siya. He was working last night, so I didn't bring him here. Now, I'm just telling everyone about our president, ex-president Duterte. He was just a simple man, so as his family. In their household, they never celebrate a birthday party that grandiose as everyone as like us. They just have a simple dinner. That's how simple they are. Some other people like say bad words, whatever na, the mouth is really foul. Yes. A lot of PI. Yes. My husband was been put a gun on his head. So you need to be careful because all the PI will be there. But his heart is really pure. Yeah? So, sa tanan, to all of us, we are really, hi friends. We have hate. Yes, it's a normal feeling. But then, guys, as he said, ayaw mo padala sa inyong gibati. I was born and raised in Davao. I grow up. Are you okay? Okay, it's alright. I grew up there during the time Davao was really in our barangay in Matina. Yes,
Silingan! Silingan!
Who is familiar sa Matina Crossing?
Silan!
When I was a student, if I go home very late,
Yes!
that time it's so hard to get the transport.
Yes!
Kaya nakapuyong ko sa Balusong. Balusong is after Matina Crossing. Tahimik, even how much you pay, I will pay extra. No taxi, no jeepney will. Why?
No?
All the hulog residing in our area. Normal to us in the morning, there is 10 seconds, my God. Oh, okay. Thank you all for coming. It is really a big privilege for me to stand here. Gamay lang kong atawo, gamay po kong tingog. But I'm so grateful and very proud to be a Dabawenya, a true Filipino like you are. Salamat kayo and take it easy lang ta because there is a day of reckoning. That's what. Dili ta magsigig pangisog. Relax lang ta. Just relax. Let God do the plan. Because why He submitted Himself? Wala siya nag-ano Jude? Because He know it will happen. And God knows His heart. And all of our hearts. So, the right thing will come in the right time. So, take it easy. Less some bad words. No PI, but then, please, let me listen lang. Thank you.
Your birthday! Your birthday! Your birthday! Your birthday! Your birthday!
Wala pa talagang magbaback out? Hindi pa talagang umuwi?
No!
Magsiuwi na kayo?
No! No!
Can we bring Duterte home?
Yes!
Bring him home!
Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
Abay, ang init-init! Ang araw nasa mukha ko po. Yung mga nandito sa kaliwa, ang nililim pero ang ihina ng sigaw nila. Yung nasa kanan, ang iinit pero ang lalakas ng sigaw. Let's see. Tingnan natin. To my right, say, Duterte! On my left, say, tingnan natin yung sa likod ko. Sa likod ko. Sa likod ko. Okay, salamat po. Kami Colon, kami Pagyaw. And then Joyce Salas and Aiden J for the song after. Kami, you have 3 minutes. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po ay magsasalita lang po ako ng aking salubin dahil sa ating nakaraang Pangulo. Hindi po ako talaga umaten sa ganitong mga okasyon.
Ay, drone, oh. Yeah! Duterte! 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 Laya! Kita kalayas.
Ang pangunguna ng ating nakarang Pangulo, naramdaman ko nang ako'y umuwi sa Pilipinas, walang gulo, walang kriminalidad, walang lahat. Napakatahimik ng ating bansa. Luzon, Visayas,
Yes!
ipaglaban natin upang siya ay makabalik sa ating bansa.
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
Wala na si Sara Duterte! Si Sara Duterte ang ating pag-asa.
Yes! Duterte! Duterte!
Ang Marcoses!
Resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Ibagsak! Marcos ibagsak! Ibagsak!
Aking mga kadugo, dahil tayo ay narito ngayon upang ipagpatuloy ni Sara Duterte ang kapayapaan sa Pilipinas.
Yes! Duterte! Duterte!
Ang ating mga kamag-anak sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao ay magiging tahimik na muli.
Duterte! Duterte!
Kaya, sa ngalan ng ating Panginoon, sana ibalik ang ating Pangulo sa ating bansa upang manatili na ang kapayapaan sa ating bansa.
Yes! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
Sa inyong mga suporta sa papunta dito sa Melbourne, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, Duterte!
Duterte! Duterte! Duterte! Duterte! Duterte! Duterte!
Salamat, kaibigan! Meron lang po tayong konting update. All yours. Sino nakakalam ng Duterte din? Okay, sabahin niyo po ako. Pag kinakala po natin yung oras, pakitaas po yung flag natin para sa Pilipinas. Sulit Duterte, sulit Pinoy! Ito na.
Nakita na yun ni. Ano pa kanina pa ako nanonood, hindi pa rin nakatingin. Hindi ko talaga.
May gawin natin yung bandila ng Pilipinas. Check mic. Bulong ay kumalat na. Isa ang nais nila. Isigaw ang nadarama. Pilipinas, muli magsama-sama. Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin. Ang kulay na naghahang sa atin. Laban niya ay laban natin. Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin. Ilang bayang minamahal, lagi kang ipinadarasal, na muli kang makita. Pilipinas, ikaw'y pag-asa pa. Pilipinas, Duterte pa
Duterte pa rin.
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In the place you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this place we cannot feel fear of dread. We stop existing and start living. Then it feels that always love enough for us growing. So make a better world, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we were conceiving will reveal a joyful face. And the world once we believe will shine again in grace. Then why keep strangling life when this earth crucify its soul? Though it's plain to see this world is heavenly, be God's glow. Let our spirits never die. In my heart, I feel that you are all my brothers. Create the world with no fear. Together we'll cry happy tears. See the nations turn stuff glowings into plowshares. We could really get there if we care enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better world. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better world for you and for me.
Bring him home. Bring Tatay home. Please bring him home. Bring home Tatay home.
Race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If we care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. People dying. If we care enough for the living, make a little place.
Secretary naman, request lang, can we gather everyone in the middle? Because we were going to sing happy birthday to our Tatay Digong. Okay? So, gather in front. Kung pwede lang. Kasi wala na akong premyo. Okay, everybody. Lahat po tayo, nasa gitna. Okay. Drone master. Asa na yung drone ko? Nandito na bilibad. Wala nang battery. Okay. Nandito na. Lipat na drone. Lahat po, lahat nasa likod. Huwag po kayong maya. Lahat tayo Pilipino. Lahat tayo may putok. Lapit kayo dito. Nag-display pa kami ng grade 1. Wala kami mga putok. Inagamit kami ng taas. At pagkakaya. Lipat po tayo mga nasa likod. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpunta. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mahal kayo ni Tatay. Okay. Akapela lang po. Akapela. Kailan po ang birthday ni Tatay Digong? Kailan po ang birthday ni Louie? Walang pake. Mabuhay po tayo. Mabuhay. Okay, on my count. On my count po ha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Digong. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Digong. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Digong. Happy birthday, Digong. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Digong. Iintak ang mga paa. Ipalakpak ang mga kamay. Happy birthday! Mabuhay ang Pilipino! Gusto niyo bang umuwi na? Umuwi na ba tayo? Hindi ba kayo pagod? Pantay na tayo nito. Isang sigaw! Mabuhay ang Pilipino! Meron naman po tayong update, mga kaibigan. 3:30. Okay!
Duterte!